Hey, what's up? So do you want some cool tutorials like XXX tutorials on how to draw people interacting in ways that I can't talk about right now on YouTube? Because YouTube really hates me and they've been taking down all my videos. Like videos that aren't even like sexual or sensual or sexy, like a pinup pose, even an action pose if it's too revealing outfit. They recently removed Jury from Street Fighter 6, just her regular Street Fighter 6 outfit. And she was in more of an action pose. Like, I don't understand. Makes no sense. So I have all my more sensual videos that are allowed on Udemy and they're not allowed on YouTube. If you want to check those out, they're on like DeviantArt. So I'm going to put the link in the description. I have how to draw the female anatomy downstairs, the male anatomy downstairs, interaction of characters. I'm going to be adding new stuff all the time. So go check that out. You subscribe, it's only $5 a month. You get access to all my videos. You can unsubscribe anytime. So you can watch all the videos and just unsubscribe if that's what you want to do. But anyways, yeah, check it out. It's cool. I have all kinds of videos on there right now. I'm going to be adding more. And then also it gives you an opportunity to request videos. So if you're like, hey, I want to learn how to draw X, but it can't be allowed on YouTube or Udemy, then I can put a tutorial there on how to do that. So check it out. It's really cool. I put all kinds of new stuff on there. I'm going to be building it up slowly and putting new information on there. So go check it out. That's pretty much it. YouTube just doesn't allow certain stuff. And now it seems like it won't even allow just pinup stuff. It's just ridiculous. Like, here's a tutorial on how to do a cool pinup. Nope, sorry, you can't post that. But I see other people posting way worse stuff. Way worse stuff. I don't understand. I don't know. YouTube hates me. Whatever. It's fine. It is what it is. So we think of the cool little beanie. Yeah. So I thought it was pretty cool. It's one of my favorite beanies right now. But anyway, so go ahead and go check that out. The links in the description. DeviantArt. Yeah. I have some other cool stuff there you can subscribe to as well. And plus you can see all my artwork, stuff like that. So, all right, that's it. Peace out.
Okay.